Using Taco Bell application is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can use Taco Bell application. For that we will go to the Taco Bell application. Now this is the home page of the Taco Bell. Currently I have slower internet connections, so I won't be able to see more of a data, but New York this is the home page where you would be able to see all the things that are at the home page, including deals and all the other things. There are other page which is menu where you will be able to it's like the manual coding to you have to allow for your location at first. After doing that you just have to let me just close it and open it again. After after the menu section there should be a profile section where you will be able to set up your account or personal things, including your address and all the other things. I will also be able to add some payment methods and stuff. This is the reward section. In the reward section you will be able to get some cashbacks and discounts, and in the profile you have to log in. As I told you before, you will have all of your personal information right